you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my jewelry subscription Rocksbox. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the service, how you can try it for free, and then I will try the pieces on after we unbox. But before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. But now back to Rocksbox. So it is a jewelry subscription. You pay $21 a month, but it's more like a rental service. So in every box, or bag I should say, you get 3 pieces of jewelry. They do have stylists that will pick out the jewelry for you based on a profile you fill out, and also you can go through all the jewelry on their page and wish list items, and your stylist can browse through that, and if they're available, pick from there. And then once the stylist picks the items, you actually have 24 hours to go online and view them, and you can swap them out if you wish. So really you can customize this box to get exactly the jewelry you want. And the jewelry pieces you get, by the way, are all types of jewelry, you know, every type possible, like rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces, you know, all of it. So they're all really good brands and have a high price tag. Jewelry can be really expensive, so Rocksbox is a great way to try jewelry without committing that like big price tag. And also trends come and go, so maybe you don't want to wear the same jewelry all the time, so you can wear these as long as you'd like, and once you're ready for a new set, you just send them back, and it's free shipping both ways. So inside here there'll be a prepaid envelope, and then once you send them in, they'll send some more to you. And you also have the option to purchase any items you get, and as a Rocksbox member, you get to save some money on those items too. So I think it's super great. And the greatest part about Rocksbox is that you can try it free for 1 month, no strings attached. Like, isn't that amazing? So I'm gonna leave a link down below that will allow you to do this. You have 30 days to try the service, and by the end of that 30 days, you either will be billed $21 or you can cancel it and just make sure you send your pieces back. Like, there's seriously no strings attached. I think that is great. I wish all subscription boxes did that, so you like just try them out before you commit. So yeah, all the information will be down below, and I always feel like I miss out like giving you guys information on this subscription when I talk about it. If you guys have any questions, just ask me. But let's get to the unboxing. So this bag is even reusable, which I absolutely love. So it says tier here, don't forget to save this envelope to send back your box. Oh, it looks different this time. So it always comes in like a jewelry box, but they changed the look of it, and I like it. Usually I send the boxes back, but I don't think I'd have to send this one back. And oh, you know what? I think they're doing this to be more eco-friendly because it says this box is reusable and recyclable. It's so cute. And then this is what it looks like when you open it. It says, "Hello Sunshine, introducing our new seasonal box that's just as reusable as the last one, but now 100% recyclable and made in the USA. Psst, be sure to keep the box to send back any pieces you don't want to keep." Okay, so you do send the box back. I always do that because I believe in recycling and repurposing, and like I already have so many boxes and things, you know, I don't really need it. So that's cool. So that is what I was reading from. I love how like bright and colorful and fun it is. And like usual, they also include a card that gives you tips on proper jewelry care, which I think is great. And then we have our little sheet here that talks about the pieces. So it says time to shine. And then in here it tells you what to do next, and then it tells you, or it actually has an image of all the items you receive along with the retail price and what the price would be if you decide to purchase it as a Rocksbox member. And I forgot to mention, if you decide to keep all 3 of your pieces, you just love them so much, you get to save an additional $10. So let's read what happens next. So 1, you rock your stylist picks, wear your pieces for as long as you'd like, and then if you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something, purchase your favorites with your monthly $21 membership credit. I knew I was forgetting something. Every single time I miss something, but they remind me. So that $21 that you spend a month to get the pieces, if you want to actually purchase any of the items, that is applied to it. So I think that's great. And then it says send back for more. Use a prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So let's get started. So the pieces are wrapped up and they are in individual jewelry bags. So it says Rocksbox on it. So the first thing I'm pulling out are earrings, and these are by Slate, and these are their Huxley hoops in gold. So if you guys catch all of my videos, I was talking recently about how like I've been watching YouTube videos trying to figure out like my tone of my skin, like am I cool tone, warm tone, neutral? I always thought I was kind of like neutral, but I think I'm actually cool toned. But I realize I always gravitate towards gold jewelry like this, but what they say is that cool tone people should wear silver jewelry to make them look better. But let's put these on and see what we think. And let me know down below if gold looks okay on me or if you think I should start requesting silver jewelry. But here is the hoop up close. I really like it. So these are normally $45, but as a Rocksbox member, I can purchase them for $38. I like them. What do you guys think? They were super easy to put on. I mean, they're not complicated earrings at all, but sometimes I have to look in a mirror. I didn't even have to. I like them. I actually like them a lot. They're like a twist on the classic hoop. Yay! All right, let's move on to the next item. Again, in a bag. Oh, and this is the necklace, and this one kind of coordinates. It's also by Slate, and it's in the same line. It's the Huxley necklace in gold. So I knew it was coming. I looked online the past 2 months. I let the stylist pick for me, and she did a great job. But I wanted to try out this new like chain trend. Is it a trend? I don't know, but I like it. What I've seen online. Let me get this out. So this is what it looks like. So it matches the earrings a little bit. And so this necklace normally costs $60, but as a Rocksbox member, I can purchase it for $51. And it looks like it has a lobster clasp and it is adjustable. Now I think the stylist originally suggested this necklace in silver and I switched it to gold. That was before I've been on my like journey to discover myself, my tone and all that. That sounds so deep, discover myself. I'm just looking in the viewfinder, but I like it. Did you guys just see how easily I put that on? I don't even think I'm gonna have to edit it out. Sometimes in my jewelry try-on videos, I have to cut out like 3 minutes of me struggling to put jewelry on, like single girl problems for real, but that was easy. And I like it. And it's not like too matchy-matchy. I was talking about that the other day with one of you guys. Like, I don't love when things match like too much. Like, obviously they go really well together, but it's not in like an obnoxious way. And I like it. Maybe I'll have to like try it in silver. I wish I had both so I can compare what jewelry looks best on me. But you know what? Who cares what they suggest? If you like something on you, then just rock it, right? But I really like this. Okay, let's move on to the last piece of jewelry. Oh, this feels kind of heavy. And this is gonna be a bracelet. I'm so bad about wearing bracelets. Like I wear my Apple Watch all the time, and I always forget to put on other bracelets. Oh, there's a set of 2 in here. I didn't realize that. And this one has a mix of silver and gold. So this is by Wild, and it's the Laguna Stretch Bracelet Set in mixed metal. And the normal retail price of this is $65, but as a Rocksbox member, you can purchase it for $55. I didn't realize they were stretchy. That makes it so much better. I feel like the light is really reflective. Hopefully you guys can see how pretty this is. And I like how both look. Yeah, so if you can mix gold and silver together in one piece, then no matter what tone you are, no matter what your skin color, you can wear anything. I don't know why I said skin color, it's all about the undertone. So all my jewelry kind of goes together. Too bad, like, I'm on, well, Florida should be on lockdown, but too bad I can't go out because I really like what's going on here right now. Yay, I love all my pieces. This might be like my favorite one in a long time, but usually I get like all earrings or like whatever, maybe a necklace here and there. I usually never get bracelets, but I kind of like what I did this month, having like one of each so I can like wear them all together. I'd love to know your thoughts. Should I keep doing that? I think for my next set, I'm gonna kind of coordinate a whole jewelry look as well. Hi Archer. Like, I think this is so pretty. But anyways, so the retail price of all three, so if I wasn't a member, would be $170. Like, I would never go to the store and spend that much money like on anything. But I'm kind of on a no-buy because money's a little tight these days, you know. But as a member, I would save $26, and then if I bought all three, I'd save an additional $10, or I could just wear them for as long as I wish and then send them back when I'm ready for something new. So this was super fun to open. I'm so satisfied with this month. And like I said, they have so much jewelry on their website, so if my style isn't your style, that's okay. We all like different things. Like I said, I'm gonna link their website down below so you can browse everything they have. They have such a wide selection. You can browse by designer, and also they have a section where you can browse by current trends, which I think is super neat. So yeah, check it out, and if you're interested, you can try it for free. Love that. Love Rocksbox. So anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.